Hello everyone. This whole program about the world-class morning routine is about creating more growth and success in all areas of your life. Your professional life, business, career, as well as your personal life, your relationships, your health, and all aspects of your life. Success means different things to different people. For some people it could be growth in their personal life, for some it could be growth in their professional life, and for some it could be simply related with their relationships. Everyone wants to be happy and successful, but very few people actually know how to do it. To truly achieve success and happiness in your life, one needs the right mindset and also a set of proven methodologies. In this 7-day activity-based program, what we're going to share with you is a set of proven techniques and methodologies to really build a world-class morning routine. When you follow this morning routine, success is almost guaranteed. You might be a business owner, you might be an IT professional, or a homemaker. Doesn't matter what your background is, but as long as you follow this, you will be able to create success in your life. You might be going through one of the most difficult phases of your life, probably a loss of job, or it could be a loss of a loved one, or a broken marriage, or a broken relationship. But whatever be the case, when you follow these things on a regular basis in the morning, you will easily be able to come out of that situation and recreate your life. Come and experience the change in your life with us. In order to register for this life-changing program, please click on the link given below.